Hello friends, today we will read about what is JavaScript and also see its advantages. See it completely and properly, you will understand it easily. So let's start. JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language used to develop web applications and websites.
So, friends, let's see some advantages of JavaScript.
Anyone can learn JavaScript easily. JavaScript is used in most of the website. By this we can create an attractive web page. Through this we can also prepare a presentation. It supports all type of browser in nowadays.
Now we will see the disadvantages of JavaScript.
It is difficult to develop a large application through JavaScript. It takes lot of time to convert the number into integer. In the DOM, it means document object model works very slowly. Today's browsers support it, but old browsers do not support JavaScript.
Friends, do you know what are the applications of JavaScript? So, let's see some applications of JavaScript.
It validates the input given by the user. In form, it is used to validate login ID and password. Second, it performs basic calculation in the browser. Third, it is platform independent language. It means that it can be run in any devices. Fourth, it has built-in function. Code is easily written with the help of built-in